In this video, I'm going to teach you how to send a Canva newsletter with Mailchimp. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to their website, which is Mailchimp.com. Click onto this login option if you already have an account, or click onto this sign up button if you do not have one yet. So you can also head over and then go to canva.com and then sign up for an account there. Let me head over and then log in. So just head over and you can see this. So into this part, you can see our actual homepage. So let's head over to a new tab and I have in here Canva. Let's head over to this apps option that you can see right here and let's connect Canva to our Mailchimp. Click onto the search bar and search in here for Mailchimp. Now you can see Mailchimp right here. Click on it and you can use it in existing design or use it in a new design. Let's click on this use in new design and you can search in here for a newsletter in order to create one just like this. Let's choose this email newsletter. This will open our Canva in order to use this particular design and integrate it to our actual Mailchimp. I'll just choose in here some templates that I can use. For example, in my case, I'll choose in here this summer sale and I'll apply this as my newsletter. Now in here, this newsletter shall be applied on together. So let's name this Canva Mailchimp. Now head over right here to the apps and let's locate Mailchimp in here again. Now into this, you can find it or should be able to find it directly. Now you can click on the share option right here, scroll down and you can click on the see all. Scroll right here all together until you can see some more options and locate the Mailchimp into this part. You can see this messaging option. You can click on see all and you can find Mailchimp right here. So click on it. Then click on this sync with Mailchimp option. What this will do is this will actually sync this particular design onto the actual Mailchimp and it will be added as an integration. Head over and click on the disconnect option that we can see and then wait for the two applications to connect together. And once it's done connecting, you should be able to send this particular newsletter into your actual Mailchimp right here. Head over and continue this and then sign off for your account onto this part. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.